So students, this question is very important question for your exam point of view as well as. I will start from the left hand side, factorial 2n upon factorial n. And you know uh, that factorial 2n, it will always start from 2n, and you will keep reducing the following terms by 1, 2n minus 2, 2n minus 3, and so on, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, right? The same thing is written over here, but in the reverse order they have written. They start from 1 and I'm in habit of start from the highest number and reach towards 1. So whatever you feel better, you can do it. It depends upon your convenience. So you can start from 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last number is 2n, right? Factorial n. Now what I will do, you can see easily that in the right hand side all odd terms are written separately. So I will separate all the odd terms from here, 1, 3, 5 and 2n minus n. And whatever the numbers are left, I will just write it simply 2, 4, 6, all the even numbers means. Now the game starts now. Actually 2, 4, 6, 2n. 2, 2 into 1, 4 I will write 2 into 2, 6 I will write 2 into 3, and so many terms. There are n terms actually, total 2 n terms even, and n terms odd and n terms even. So if there would have 2 terms, means we have 2 extra 2 times 2 into 2, 2 square. If we have 3 terms, then 2 into 2 into 2, 2 cube. From here what I am doing, now I will not touch this thing because this is the demand of the right hand side. I will not touch this thing. Okay. What I am doing actually, I am writing 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 till n separate, and I want to write these 2 into 2 into 2. If there are 2 into 2, 2 square, but 3, 2 cube, 4 to the power 4, but there are n terms, means there are n times of multiplication of 2. We have n times 2. You can easily understand 2 into 2 into 2 to the power n. This to the power n is coming from where? This to the power coming from here. So 1, 3, 5, 10 minus 1 to the power n. And what is left? 1 into 2 into 3 into n. And what is this? Actually this is factorial n. Factorial n. Factorial n means it will start from n minus 1, and it goes to 3 to 1, right? 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, I'm just putting point over here. This point means multiplication actually. Decimal is always upper side, and the into is always like this, 6 into 5. So this is how this factorial n and this factorial get cancelled. They have converted this. It's cancelling out. What is left over here? What they demanded, right? Now see the next question. This question you have to solve. This is the left hand side. Just write the left hand side. Okay. Now think what to do. I will solve it separately over here, so that you have a better idea how to solve factorial n, factorial r, factorial n minus r. First I am writing, then I will prove it. R minus 1 n minus r plus 1 n minus r plus 1. Okay, see, first of all, what I will do, I will take factorial n common, and here is factorial r minus 1 and here is r, so I will break it. R minus 1 and n minus r, and here is n minus r plus 1. This is bigger one, so I will break it. I will break the bigger one, right? Plus factorial r minus 1, and this is my n minus r plus 1, and you know the next term will be, next term is always written as by reducing 1, that means n minus r. Now you can see that r minus 1 is common and n minus r is also common. So factorial n in numerator, factorial r minus 1 is common, and factorial n minus r is common. And what is left over here is 1 upon r, because r minus 1 and minus r is common. And here n minus r plus 1 is common, is left. Factorial n r minus 1, factorial n minus r will remain as it is. And over here, by taking LCM, this into this plus, you can have n minus r plus 1. Minus r plus r getting cancelled. You have n plus 1 into factorial n, and here r factorial r minus 1, here n minus r plus 1 into factorial n minus r. Now you can write it as factorial n plus 1. You can verify it, that factorial n plus 1, then factorial n. You have to practice it. R into r minus 1 is factorial r, just like 10 into factorial 9 is equal to factorial 10. Okay, so, and this is, and by reducing 1 you are getting this one, so I will apply factorial over here, and I think this is the right hand side of the question. So this is how you have to solve. Okay, thank you.